Okay, so today we'll be looking at triads, okay, and I'll be showing you how to apply triads on simple Ghanaian songs. So I'll be breaking this video into part one. This is the part one, and the part two will be a normal Nigerian praise where I'll be applying the triads. So today will be a Ghanaian praise. Then in the next video that I'll be uploading after the video will be a Nigerian praise, okay? And I want you to watch the video to the end so that you understand how and when and the type of groove using the triads you have to give to that praise song, okay? I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, so grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So with the triads, there are things that are going to be involved to make the groove more spicy, you understand? So that I was using some of the triads in the praise song. And when using the triads in praise, it comes in various ways you can use the triads in praise, okay? So the song was played on key D. And it's a normal song. Asafo, Asafo Yehowa. Asafo, Asafo Yehowa. You understand? Now let's look at the groove I played in the Asafo. So I did something like this. Asafo, Asafo Yehowa ni. Then back to your one. Okay, the normal ways you can do it, driving it from your 2, 3, 4. It is played like this. Da 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 da. But here I did it something like this. Da, da. So the normal notes are re, ti, do, mi, fa, but I played it this way. Do, re, but I used the hammer on, so I plucked on my do, re, the same, ti, do, mi, and I slide to my fa. So da, da, da. Then on my re, do, re, 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 so, ti, re. So now you've seen I've used a triad here. So this is a 5 triad. Your so ti re, so ti re. Back to my 1. So Asafu, Asafu Yehowa niye. You understand? So ti re do, so ti re do. So you can do it this way. So ti re do, so ti re do. Asafu, Asafu. Then we'll come to the Asafu. So 1, 5, 5, 6. Then this will drive you to the Asafu Yehowa niye. So Asafu, Asafu. You understand? So do, so so, la, do, so, la, 1 5 5 6. You understand? So my one triad is 1 3 5, 1 3 5, my 5 and back to my 1. You understand? Okay, so Safo. So here I did something like this. Dun, 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 dun. So this is my 6th triad. That is 6 1 3. I ascend and I descend. So it's not something that is plenty or that is confusing. It is the way you use it. You understand? So Safo, Safo. Then you continue. You understand? So when I play so 1 3 goes note. Yeah. 3 3 5. So 3 5. So I hammer on the 5. You understand? So you understand? Then to my 6. You need to be very fast here. Dun, 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 dun. So that is 6 1 1 3 1 6. Yeah. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. Re ti do mi fa la do re 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 so ti re mi do. You understand? So the full package is, let me take it slow. Safo, Safo ye owa. Oh. So I use the triad on my 1. I use the triad on my 6, my 5. Okay. Oh, Nyankopon. The same thing to the Asafo. You understand? So, oh, Nyankopon. You understand? Okay. Oh, Kupon. Uniye. Wafu. Kesi. Okay, so now let's look at this and end on the re. That is your 2. So, oh, the same triad on your 1. So do mi so do. Then to your 6, do mi do ti la ti di mi re. On my re, I play something like this. Dun, 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 dun. So I played a re triad, re fa la. Then I add on 1 note to end the song. Okay, so Kesi. So 2 4 6 6 7 5. You understand? So oh Nyankopon da 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 da. Safo your 6. Dun, 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 dun. You understand? So let's look at what I played there. It's still the same thing. Dun, 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 dun. So ti re mi do. So you just need to get the key point. Dun, dun. Unie. You understand? Okay. Safo, Asafu ye owa. So now I have played a triad using my 4 2 5 1. So this is how it works. Asafu, Asafu ye owa. 2 5. You understand? Okay, so when you are driving from your do re mi fa, then you can apply the triad over there. Fa la do re, fa la so ti re do. You understand? You just need to take your time. Ah safu safu ye owa. You understand? Okay. So I think these are the few triads I can give to you. So just get a key point. How to groove with a triad. Ah, safu. You understand? Okay. On my one here, you see the way I use the triad to groove. And on my 6, using the ascend and the descend and the normal 4. You understand? All you just need to know is understand that song. Maybe it's a reggae or a praise, and you can also create your own triads using some simple tips. So I think this is what I'll be giving to you today, and just take time and practice it very very well. It will take time for you to understand and for it to master your fingers. Okay, and I'll be bringing out a part 2, that is a local English praise, where I'll be using the same triads to play the praise. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.